everyone, welcome back to my channel Style for the Jenny. Hope you are doing well. I am Jenny and I love creating videos related to self-care, makeup and fashion. So today is the last video of 2025, so it's gonna be about 2025 wrapped. So this video is all about the best 25 products that I tried in 2025, and yeah, without any further delay, let's get into the video. I'm going to speak short and crisp about each product so that we can combine all the products review in 25 minutes. So the first product is none other than Foxtail Moisturizer. It's called the Oil Balancing Moisturizer. As you can see, it's an empty. It's a very perfect moisturizer for oily and acne prone skin. It provides enough nourishment and hydration that my skin needs. It also has niacinamide and azelaic acid in it, which is great for acne prone skin. So you can definitely give it a try. If you need that hydrated, plumpy and healthy skin, then this is the one product for you, and this is Plum Vegan Mucin Essence. It's the best alternative to the Snail Mucin Essence from Cosrx. So it is a very good hydrating serum. It's very lightweight, perfect for everyday use. Any skin type including sensitive skin can use it. Once you regularly use it, you can see that hydrated, plump and healthy skin. It also helps to repair skin barrier, and it is just so good. There were n number of launches in serums, but these serums from Juicy Chemistry worked so well for me and my mom, so I thought it is a must-have for you. So this is the Actives 2.0 from Juicy Chemistry. It's a mini kit that I have, and it has vitamin C serum, alpha-arbutin and lactic acid serum, which is for exfoliation. So vitamin C serum is what my mom used, and I use these mini versions of alpha-arbutin and lactic acid. So these help to reduce that hyperpigmentation, acne marks, dull skins, everything, and these are so good. It works definitely on consistent usage. Next category is a sunscreen. So I actually wanted to speak about this sunscreen because it's so good. It's a tinted sunscreen and it is from Dot & Key. So it's this Strawberry Dew tinted sunscreen. If you know me, how much I have spoken about it, it's just so good. Comes in good 5 different shades, and I'm in the last shade, Caramel. It just works so well without giving that grayness or ashiness to my skin. Yeah, it has a warm undertone to it. It also has SPF 50 with PA4+, so it provides a good broad spectrum protection to the skin. If you're a college or an office goer, you do not want a makeup but you need that protection to your skin, then this is just the one for you. Next, I have 2 lip balms with me. So first one is this Simply Numb Sweet Kisses lip balm. So it comes with this cute charm for me, but I don't know if it's available right now, and I have the shade Brownie. It's a very beautiful lightweight lip balm. I really love the way it nourishes my lips so well. It is a sheet tinted lip balm. It's not that tinted, so if you are a good college or office goer and you want to use this lip balm, very sheet tinted, it's just so good. Many tinted lip balms are like thick and nourishing, but this is lightweight yet nourishing, and it's just so perfect. Next lip balm is the one that I recently tried, and it's like, oh my god, is it a lip balm or is it a lipstick? I was confused, and I'm speaking about this Tipsy Beauty Pout Cloud Matte Lip Balm. So I have the shade Strawberry Soffle, and this is such a very beautiful lip balm. I would say, yeah, it's a hybrid of both a lip balm and a lipstick in one single product. So it provides a blurry lip look, which I really love, and the shades are extremely pigmented. They are so good for everyday use. So it also has some amazing ingredients like peptide and ceramides in it, which is quite hydrating and nourishing to your skin. So if you have very dry chapped lips, then this is not the one for you. You can layer any non-tinted lip balm and then just go on with it. But if you don't have much dry chappy lips, then this is just so good. I'm sorry guys, my voice is so bad because of cold, just ignore that. So next is a hair care product. So this particular hair mask from Love Beauty and Planet is, oh my god, this is just so good. It's perfect for dry frizzy ends. Yeah, this is called the Argan Oil and Lavender Hair Mask. It is a 2-minute hair mask. You can either use it pre-shampoo or post-shampoo. Anyway, it works so well. It has the right amount of consistency and slip, and it's just so good. I absolutely love it from the day I started using it. Oh my god, this is a 10 on 10 for me. I would say the next product that I'm going to show you is a must-have in everyone's hair care stash, and this is the Wish Care Dry Shampoo. So it is the air powder dry shampoo, which is just so good. It has this cushion applicator with it, so you can just dab it, blend it, and you'll be good to go. There's no white cast whatsoever, and it just helps to refresh the scalp, absorbs the excess oil, and gives that fresh wash day kind of a look. It also provides quite an amount of volume, which I really love. So on my 3rd or 4th day when my hair hair feels very flat and lifeless, I just go and use it, and it's just so good. The last hair care product is a must-have, and it is the Bare Anatomy Heat Protection Spray. So this is not only a heat protection spray, it also helps to control your frizz, tame frizz, and help with hair dryness. So it's like a hair serum and a hair protection spray duo. So this is very good, guys, because I just need 5 pumps on each side and I'll be good to go. You can just leave it as it is, or you can heat style it. So it's just so good, protects your hair from heat damage. It also helps to control your frizz very well. So it's just so good. It's my second bottle, and that must say how much I love it. Next, let's move on to body care products. So the first one is this Foxtail Exfoliating Body Wash. It has 2% salicylic acid and zinc PC in it. It is great for body acne. It's great for exfoliating your skin and keeping it healthy and smooth and so good. Yeah, it is a very gentle body wash. It has a beautiful purple base in it and it's such a huge bottle. So it lasts for months. I at least use this once or twice a week. Oh my god, this is just so good, you guys. You can definitely give it a try if you're looking for the perfect exfoliating body wash. The next best body care product that I tried in this year is Shesha Ayurveda Parijatam deodorant. This is a duo of body mist and deodorant because it helps to control sweat odor, gives a very refreshing fragrance which I absolutely love. My entire family loves using it, so it is just so good. It is long lasting. It's like so subtle, not too strong, and it is long lasting, guys. If it's long lasting, it is just almost a day long. It's just so good. I absolutely love it. It's almost half empty, so yeah, just 2 to 3 spritz is enough and you'll be good to go. I am absolutely in love with it. Now let's start with the best of 2025 makeup. So first one is a tinted serum foundation that I absolutely love for everyday use, and it is from L'Oreal. It's their infallible 24-hour tinted serum foundation. I'm in the shade medium tan, and except the packaging, everything about it is just so good, you guys. It has a perfect coverage for everyday use. It's medium coverage, it is buildable, it's very lightweight and comfortable. It's just like a serum to me. It's just so good, great for even any skin type. I really love it, and if I mean it's good, it is just so good. This would get even 100 on 10 if the packaging could be changed. Next is a special mention for a skin tint that I absolutely love. I don't have the full size, but I tried the sample and it's just so good. It's Fair Beauty Face Card Skin Tint. So it comes in 30 variety of shades, which is, oh my god, such a wide range of skin tint I really love. Yeah, it kind of provides a dewy finish, but it is very lightweight, comfortable, great for everyday use. You can just set it up with a loose powder and you'll be good to go. If you have oily skin, if you have normal to dry skin, this is such a blessing to you. So for everyday use, you can either try any of these. Next is a cushion foundation that I absolutely loved using this year, and it is from K Beauty. I did not think I would love this foundation so much because the price is quite high. I was thinking to purchase for many months, but at last I purchased during Nykaa sale. So this is in the shade 180Y, which is the last shade, and that's what I regretted because it's the last shade and it's suiting me well. But what about the deeper skin tones? If K Beauty brand bring this formulation in many different shades like the Tinder foundation, it would be so good because the formulation is top notch. The packaging is so luxurious. It provides a very good full coverage and hydrating skin like finish, which I really love. And can you see how the packaging looks? It is just so good, perfect for travel, perfect for everyday use. Yeah, oh my god, it just feels skin like but provides a full coverage. That's why I absolutely love it. I totally forgot about this concealer that I really liked. It's very affordable, so good. Now I'm speaking about this Inside Cosmetics Air Based Concealer. So this concealer comes in a beautiful packaging, quite messy, yeah, but I quite liked it even though it's messy. So you can just twist it. It's like the Age Rewind concealer from Maybelline. You can use it, blend, and you'll be good to go. It's good to spot conceal. It's great for everyday use. Very lightweight. It's so comfortable, provides almost full coverage, and this shade, which is called Nutmeg Delight, is like my perfect skin match shade. I really like it for everyday use. Lightweight, comfortable, long lasting, does not crease much, and it's just so perfect. Next we have a powder foundation that is, oh my god, it is just so good, and that's what I used today, and it is from Maybelline. It's a Super Stay Powder Flex foundation. So I'm in the shade 330. It is just so good, you guys. Just one swipe coverage, it's full coverage, and it also has a sponge beneath it and a mirror. So it's very travel friendly, cute packaging, full coverage, provides a blurry powder matte finish, which I really love. Even if you have dry skin, it does not dry your skin much, so it's just so perfect for any skin type. Only the shade range is quite limited in India, so if they can again expand the shade range, even deeper skin tones would love using this. It is just so good, and I'm absolutely in love with it. Next is a loose powder I really love, and that really says how much I really love it, because it's the one loose powder that I've been using continuously the whole year. It's just so good. It's almost an empty. As you can see, it's a 30-gram tub, so it's almost gonna be empty within a month or two. So this is the banana powder from Binti Beauty. It's their loose setting powder. It is very finely milled, you guys. It just provides again that blurry good filter like skin, sets your makeup so well, keep it long lasting and fresh and matte. So everything about it is so good. For the price, it is definitely worth it. Next is a blush that I absolutely love, and from the day I started using it, I just keep on using it. That's why I included it in today's list, and this is from Maybelline. It's their Haze Matte Liquid Blush. So this is in the shade Berry Brunch, and I'm absolutely in love with it, guys, because it is so perfect for any skin tone. It flatters on any skin tone, and the pigmentation is so good. You just need one dot, dab it with your fingers or your makeup brush or a makeup sponge. You'll be good to go. Whenever you use this, you do not even need a powder blush separately. Just you can top it up with a loose powder or compact powder, and you'll be good to go. It's just so good. Perfect pigmentation, very easily blendable, and it's long lasting as well. If you know me, you must know I'm not a highlighter person, but this highlighter definitely impressed me, and it comes in best in 2025 list, and I'm speaking about this Mars Cosmetics Glow Fly Liquid Highlighter. Yes, a highlighter in best of 2025 list. I'm myself impressed because it is just so good. It comes in 3 different shades. I have all the 3 shades, and I have a separate review about it. You can definitely check out my Instagram page for it. Just one dot, guys. It is so easily blendable, and it is just so good. Gives a beautiful highlight. You can build it from sheer to a blinding highlight. So oh my god, it does not have any chunky glitters or anything. It just provides a beautiful glow from within look, and that's why I really like it a lot. Next is a glitter eyeshadow that I absolutely loved using it, and it is viral for a reason. It's from Mars Cosmetics. It's called a Starlight Pot eyeshadow, and that's what I'm wearing today. So I mixed 2 different shades, and it gives it perfect, beautiful chrome look, and I used the shade 2 and 3, which is white and lavender. Yeah, there are 6 different shades. A very beautiful glitter eyeshadow, which is not that powdery. There is a little fallout, but be careful while using it. Otherwise, it's just so good. It has a cushiony texture. You can just swipe it with your fingers. Within seconds, you can create many glam looks, and you'll be good to go. I absolutely love it. It is just so worth every penny you pay for it. Next is a kajal that I absolutely loved using this year, and it's from Fair Beauty. It's called their Ideal Intense Gel Kajal. So they're both 2 shades of black and brown, and I have the shade black, and that's what I used today to tightline my eyes. I have sensitive watery eyes, but this kajal does not react on my waterline, so it's just so good. One of the best kajal. It's very pitch black pigmented, as you can see here. It is just so good. You can also use it as a eyeliner, so it also has a sharpener beneath it. So oh my god, I absolutely love it. It is just so good. On the other side, there was also a brush. I missed it somewhere. I'm searching for it. Otherwise, I would have shown it to you. So this is one of the best kajal. If you're looking for a good long lasting pitch black kajal, then this is a must have for you. Last is all our lipsticks that I really love. So first one is a gloss stick that really made it in today's list, which is the Sugar Cosmetics gloss stick. So it is in the shade brown buzz, and it is just so perfect, you guys. It is a very beautiful shine. It provides instant cooling sensation. The tint is just so perfect, not too opaque, not too sheer. It's buildable. Even if you love sheer looking gloss tint, then it's so good. You can build it by 2 to 3 layers. It looks quite pigmented and it's just so perfect even on pigmented lips. I love everything about it. For the price we pay, it is just so worth it. Next, if you're looking for a good creamy matte lipstick that is affordable yet quite long lasting even though it's not transfer proof, then you need to try out this Forever 52. It's my day lipstick. So I have all the shades with me. This particular shade called Bold Day is just so good. I have all the shade, almost 7 shades with me right over here, and it is just so perfect, creamy matte. It's just so comfortable, great for everyday use, has intense one swipe pigmentation, and I absolutely love the packaging, guys. Everything about it is so good for the price we pay. It is amazing, and if you're looking for a perfect everyday lipstick, then this is just so perfect. The next lipstick is a must-have in everyone's stash, and if you're looking for a perfect long-lasting lipstick, then this is the one for you. It's the L'Oreal Infallible Matte Resistance Lipstick. I have the shade Lazy Sunday, and this particular shade is a must-have for any brown or deep skin tone girls, and it's just so good. It is lightweight, comfortable, one swipe pigmentation. It is transfer proof and smudge proof. It's so long-lasting even after a meal. It stays, and it's just so good. Everything about it is just so good. I would give it 100 on 10. So if you know me, if you have watched my previous videos, you must know how much I've recommended this lipstick, and many of you have, guys, tried it and you loved it and you'll keep loving it. The last lipstick is the one that I recently tried and I'm really loving it, guys. It's from Lakme. It's called their Ultimate Glam Liquid Lipstick. I have the shade Mauve Ecstasy. It's a perfect winter shade. Has a purple and a mauve undertone to it, which is just so perfect. Very lightweight. Love the packaging. It's so comfortable, not at all sticky, it's not at all drying. It kind of nourishes my skin, but I don't feel like I'm having something on my lips. It's so lightweight, long lasting. Again, it's transfer proof. Once it sets, it takes time to set. Yeah, everything about it is just so good. Again, for the price we pay, oh my god, it's just so good. Next, we have a lip oil that I absolutely love, that I emptied it, and I'm speaking about this Simply Numb Magic Tinted Lip Oil. So this lip oil is just so good. I have the shade Golden Heart Deep, and as you can see, it is an empty. It's almost an empty. Just 1 or 2 uses left, and it is just so perfect. The applicator is perfect. Hugs your lips so well. You can just develop, build the pigmentation. Everything about it is so good. It nourishes my lips, provides tint, and yeah, for everyday use, if you don't want a lip balm and a lipstick to layer but you want the glossy lips, then this is just so perfect. I really like it. Yeah, just try it and thank me later. So that's about the best 25 products that I tried in 2025. Let me know what is your best product that you tried this year. So let me know in the comments below. I'd love to read those. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to smash the thumbs up button. Comment down below what more videos do you want me to do next, and share this video with your friends and family. You can also check out my Instagram page, Style for Jenny, for more such self-care, makeup and fashion content. Also, if you like to watch such long form review videos, makeup tutorials, fashion hauls and much more, you can definitely subscribe to my channel by clicking that red button and the bell icon, so that will be notified when I upload new videos. I'll also leave all the product links along with the names in the description box below, so you can definitely check them out. Yeah, until next time, bye bye and a happy new year to everyone.